So today I want to go over the Brimkettel lava rock pool, which is on the Reykjanes Peninsula in Iceland. Now this is a really nice little place to go. It's very close to the Keflavik Airport, and a lot of people take off from the Keflavik Airport and they go right to the Golden Circle or something like that. But Brimkettel is a short little drive. It's just west of the town of Grindavik, which was recently evacuated during the eruption. It also has a number of things near it that are really nice to visit and fly drones over, including the bridge between the continents, the Stampart craters, and actually the Reykjanes Peninsula. There's a nice little car park. You can park your car and walk from your car to the Brimkettel overlook. It's a very short walk. If you go when there's no wind and the tide is low, you can actually get some beautiful pictures of this is the main Brimkettel, and you can fly right over it. They have all sorts of safety signs saying don't go in, don't try to swim here, but apparently some people have done it and things haven't gone very well for them. There are actually two Brimkettels. This is the most famous one, and then off to the side there's another one there. Now Brimkettel roughly translates into whitewater cauldron, which you will see when if you ever visit here at high tide, or when the waves are large, because looks like the inside of a washing machine there. But originally it was named after a big troll named Odni, and it was said that Odni was a huge troll, and because trolls can only go out at night, that Odni was a female troll and she had to wash her clothes and bathe at night. And so anyway, that is the story behind what the Brimkettel was known as 100 years ago or so. Anyway, it's a very nice place to visit, very short drive. Drones are allowed there, at least last time I flew there, and it's very close to a number of other fun places to go. So when you arrive at Keflavik and pick up your car, it's a great little stop along the way. Now this was taken when the volcano was erupting. You can see the volcano in the background there. So hopefully you get over and enjoy it.